Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install HDO Box on Android TV using an easy and safe method. Step 1. On your Android TV, go to Settings and then Device Preferences, and then Security and Restrictions, and then enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser or file manager. Step 2. Open the browser on your Android TV or use Downloader from the Play Store. Step 3. Go to the official HDO Box website or a trusted APK site like APK Pure or APK Mirror, and then download the latest version from the HDO Box APK. Step 4. Once downloaded, you can locate the file and open it. Select Install and wait for the app to be installed. Step 5. After installation, you can open HDO Box. You should grant the storage permissions if prompted. Step 6. This is an optional step. You can use a VPN for privacy and security while streaming content from third-party sources. And now, you can start watching movies and TV shows using HDO Box on your Android TV. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.